Let's make some chicken in the air fryer. For the marinade, I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of yogurt, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of paprika powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, oil, of any peri peri sauce that you have. This is optional. Mix everything. That's marinade. I've taken 1 chicken breast in a baking tray. This is how I made the cuts in chicken breast so the marinade can go in really well. I'm gonna pour the marinade over. Coat the chicken really well. Now you can let this sit in the fridge for half an hour, but I'm just gonna make it straight away. This is gonna go in the air fryer. I'm gonna air fry it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. This is how the chicken looks after 20 minutes. I let it cook for another 5 minutes because it's a big chicken breast and it will take some time to cook. So now I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna cook it for another 10 minutes on the other side. This is how the chicken looks when it's ready. It's really moist and good, and you can use it in sandwiches or wraps or salads.